Mariega. Mariega. Gadang me wiemo be chake mo yemli. Kia wog be no te wiemo chake momli yo. Toneme knowledge and skills. How do we express high tone in Ga? A, E, I, O, U, O, E. Wale yake, gawiemo ayegbe chake mo sroto enyo. Awu ogbe ino ni abaleshi. Ni enyo ekpleke oshi. Ni ke awie ye gugomlile. Wiemo shishinumo hunyo echakio. Be okadini blofocho le vowel le. Gadang minye son. Let's look at how we compose words in English, for example. To compose a word in English, we need a consonant and a vowel. These comprise phonemes. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in speech. For example, dog has d, o, g, dog. In Gadangbe, it's different. To compose words, wiemo in Ga, we need consonant, vowel, and a toneme. For example, be, b, e, be. In Ga, the word's meaning can be enshrined in the toneme. A toneme is a toned phoneme. Ga uses tones to distinguish meaning in words. Therefore, Ga words have both phonemes and tonemes. Look at these Ga words. Ga means ring. Ga means knock. Ga refers to the language. To speak, listen, read and write Ga meaningfully and accurately, we need to distinguish between these tonemes. We use the ascending accent to represent high tone and the descending accent to represent low tone. We use the tilde or the superscript accent to represent the nasal quality. This gives meaning too. For example, Ga is pronounced like Ga, low tone. However, it's nasal. This completely changes the meaning of the word. In this lesson, we will look at high-tone words that sound like Ga, knock. Hamo kwegbe chakemo, ye ganwiemo komeamli. Kia wogbe no, te yo ten. Let's look at how high tones play out in Ga words. We will look at these words using syllables and tones. Let's call them sillatones. Let's look at how high tone plays out in 1 sillotone, 2 sillotone, 3 plus sillotone, and 3rd sillotone words. Ofe klalo alo, obafre fio, kemononi mákɛ. Are you ready? Let's play a game of I say, you say. Say what I say, following the high tones A, E, I, O, U, O, E. Kemo la, kemo te, kemo fo, kemo bi, kemo pa, kemo ko, kemo fo, kemo wo, kemo ju, kemo afi, kemo flefle, kemo po, kemo mala, kemo koko, kemo ngongo, ngongo, kemo, kle kle, kle kle, kemo, shito, shito, kemo, futa, futa, kemo, ding, ding, kemo, choo choo, choo choo, kemo, ekpakpa, ekpakpa, kemo, pepepe, pepepe, kemo, kwala, kwala, kemo, choco, choco, kemo, tonton, tonton, kemo, emomo, emomo, kemo, tatale, tatale, kemo, fale fale, fale fale, kemo, lege lege, lege lege, kemo, shwe shwe shwe, shwe shwe shwe, kemo kóní mákɛɛ. Biane ishono. It's your turn. Now you say and I say. Let's go. Shito, sebe, tonton, nakaino. Good job. Kemo noni mákɛɛ. Kemo kwala. Shwe shwe shwe. Futa. Fo. Te. Non. Ngongo. Tonton. Shito. Ekpakpa. Emomo. Tatale. Fale fale. Ficho ficho. Lege lege. Nakaino. Obomoden. Oyiwaladon. Oyiwaladon. Shida aha Afroliteracy's Foundation. Kepixabay.com. Kefie slamawoye www.afroliteracies.net. Shida kpelehuaha Moses ni ajete aje. Bohun obanye oke. Bohun obanye oke. Biane eshono. Mariega.